Hello, my name is Jamie. Welcome to Anchor Cars here in Padworth. Today I'm walking you through this R-Design Volvo V40. So right off the bat you've got that R-Design grille, and I do love the R-Design. I think it's a unique type of spec of vehicle. I think they do some really nice bits. I love the seats. We'll get onto that in a minute. So lovely new tyres on there. We've got a twin exhaust with a lovely aggressive diffuser on the back there, which looks real smart. In the boots, deep enough with your inflation kit and breakdown kit there. Keep that open for now. Lovely 5-spoke alloys there. Into the back. Very passionate about these seats. I don't know whether you can tell. It's lovely Alcantara here, as well as the leather with the white stitching. I think it's just such a smart looking type of combination for seats. And then as you get through to the Holy seats here, got that R-Design stitching which just pops. That blue is so good. Similar to the Focus RS type stitching, and we've got the Alcantara here again. And the classic Volvo pass through there underneath the infotainment glove box, so you can pull that and it will let airflow into the glove box, so you can store certain things in there if they need to be temperature controlled. I believe your locking nuts in there. To the driver's side we go. I mean, why have 2 washer jets when you can have 3, eh? Also, all of your safety features built into the windscreen there too. And I will take you through this now. So, auto headlights, spook controls, fogs and so on, folding mirrors, and all of your locking, cruise control, infotainment control. I'll just start this up. We have heated seats, front only, 12 volt, as well as a USB and another 12 volt. So it's a push to start here. Got your DAB and your FM radios, telephone and Bluetooth. The nav built in, there it is, and your classic Volvo aircon controls, unique to Volvo vehicles. Start, stop, parking sensors on and off, and your lovely R-Design coming through the middle there, and the gear stick as well. I think it's a real smart car. And you've got all of your information you can skip through there using this wheel. All of that is in there. You've got a gear reminder shifter there, which is quite handy sometimes in a manual. That's the inside. Like I said, premium inside for sure. Volvo never miss a beat on their interiors. I think they do a great job. It's like driving an armchair. They're so comfy. If you are interested in this vehicle or any other of our vehicles, visit the website on our screen here, anchorcars.co.uk, or give us a call. The guys inside, the sales guys, will be more than happy to help you. We have plenty of other stock around here as well. Over 200 vehicles on our website, ready to go same day. Thank you very much.